What are the advantages of a hair transplant? Do you know the 7 biggest advantages of hair transplantation that are simply unattainable with other hair loss treatments? Hair transplantation is an expensive procedure. But when we look at the long-term benefits and compare them to other treatments, the procedure can save you valuable time and money. And a simple one-day procedure can help you regain your hair's former density, even if you have been struggling with hair loss for years. Hi, I'm Janos from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have assisted more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. Studies show that more than 90% of patients are satisfied with the results of their hair transplant. The majority of them also reported increased self-esteem and improved sociability. In today's video, we will take a look at 7 life-changing advantages of hair transplantation. The first and biggest advantage of hair transplants is the aesthetic change you go through after the procedure. The surgery can provide you with a more youthful look that can give you an edge in both your personal and professional life. The second advantage is the invaluable boost it gives to your self-confidence. If your hair loss continues to affect your quality of life, a hair transplant may reduce your anxiety and increase your self-esteem. Next up on the list is the stunning results. Since the surgery uses your own hair, the result will look natural and feel natural, especially if you choose a talented surgeon with a proven track record. Your surgeon will implant the hairs mimicking the natural pattern and density of your hair to achieve seamless results. Once you've made full recovery, most people won't be able to tell that you underwent the procedure. The fourth advantage is that hair transplants provide a permanent solution that will last for a lifetime. Surgeons harvest hairs from the back and sides of the head because these hair follicles in these areas are resistant to the effects of the DHT hormone, which causes male pattern baldness in the first place. The donor hairs will keep their resistance to DHT, so once they grow out in their new place, they won't fall out due to the male pattern hair loss. The fifth advantage of surgical hair restoration is that it's a cost-effective solution. While hair transplant may appear expensive at first, it is often a one-time expense that provides you with a lifelong solution. Lastly, hair transplantation is a simple and safe procedure. The modern techniques and tools allow you to restore the density of your hair with a one-day surgery. In addition, hair transplants have a 90% success rate and they come with a low risk of complications and temporary side effects. Do you have any questions about hair transplants? Let us know in the comments below or contact our team at info@hairpalace.co.uk. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it.